Google Search is a web search engine developed by Google LLC. The engine enables users to find information on the internet using keyword searches. The search engine uses complex algorithms to analyze and rank web pages based on various factors, such as relevance, popularity, and quality. When a user enters a query into the search bar, Google's search engine sends out web crawlers, also known as Google bots, to crawl and index the web. The web crawlers gather information about each page, such as the content and links, which is then stored in Google's massive database. Google then uses its complex algorithms to rank the indexed pages based on various factors, such as the relevance of the content to the search query, the quality and authority of the website, and user experience metrics, such as page load speed. The search engine then returns a list of results to the user, sorted by relevance and popularity. Google also displays ads at the top and bottom of the page based on the search query and the advertiser's bids. Google Search also provides results for image and video searches, news and shopping searches, among others.